subject English. Which topic is going on? Yes, that is 3-letter words. In previous videos, we did A, E, I, O, 3-letter words. Okay. Now, today I am going to teach you last, and that is U sound words. Okay. 3-letter words of U sound. So, see here. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of a bug. Okay. And what is the spelling of bug? B U G. Okay. What is the spelling of bug? B U G. In phonics, B A G. Okay. In phonics, B says B, U says A, and G says G. Okay. Now moving towards our next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of a mug. And what is the spelling of mug? M U G. What is the spelling of mug? M U G. In phonics, M says M, U says A, and G says G. M A G, mug. Now, next. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of a rug. Okay. And what is the spelling of rug? Yes. R U G. What is the spelling of rug? R U G. In phonics, R says R, U says A, and G says G. R, G, rug. Now, see here how to write bug, mug, and rug in notebook. Just see here. First, we have to write bug. Okay. So, how to write small b? Start from red line to blue line. You have to make one standing line like this. Okay. Then you have to make one curve in this two blue line. This is called small letter B. And in phonics, B says B. Now you have to write down U. Okay. After B, you have to write down U. This is called small letter U. And in phonics, U says A. B, A, G. Now you have to write small G. First you have to make one curve like this. And then you have to make one standing line till this red line. And then you have to make one curve like this. This is called small letter G. In phonics, G says G. B, A, G, B. Again, you have to write down first small letter B, then U, and then G. B, A, G, B. Where is the picture of B? This one? No, this is rug. This one? Yes, this is bug. And what is the color of bug? Yes, red. And these are the black spots. Okay. Now again, you have to write down first small letter B, then U, and then G. Okay. B, A, G, B. Again, you have to write down G, then A, mug. Mug, mug. So how to write small m? You have to make one standing line in this two blue line. Then curve, then standing, then curve, then standing. This is called small letter m. In phonics, m says ma. Then you have to write down u in this two blue line. In phonics, u says a, ma, a, g. Now you have to write down small g. G says g. Again, you have to write down small m in this two blue line. Then you have to write down u, small letter u. Then you have to write down g. Mug, mug. Okay? Again, just see. First, small letter m, then u, and then g. Mug, mug. Okay? Where is the picture of mug? Mug, a, g. Where is the picture of mug? This one? No, this one is bug. This one? Yes, this one is mug. Mug, mug. Again. Now we have to write down here rug. Rug, g, rug. Okay. So first of all you have to write R in this two blue line like this. Okay. This is called small letter R. In phonics, R says r. R says rug. Okay. R says r. Then small letter U and then small letter G. Okay. Rug, rug. Rug. Again. First you have to write down R. Then you have to write down U. And then G. Okay. Rug, rug. There is a picture of rug. Yes, that one. This is a picture of a rug. Rug. Again, first you have to write down R, small r, then U, and then G. Okay? Again, here also you have to write down small r, then U, and then G. Once again, see here. First one is bug. Where is bug? Yes, this one is bug. Bug. Now, second one is mug. Where is mug? Yes, this one. Mug. And third one is rug. Rug. Where is rug? Yes, this one. Rug. Today I taught you three U sound, three letters of U sound. Okay? That is bug, mug, and rug. Okay? Bug, rug, mug. Okay? So you have to do practice of the same at your home. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself.